Greetings, everyone. This is Jim Delapine, and what I'd like to do is show you a text technique using Adobe Illustrator that will help you create text that is easy to read. Having text that's an easy and quick read is essential to successful design. So, especially when you have a busy background. Okay, so I downloaded this image from Google that was busy and had contrasting values and colors and made it difficult to place text. So I'm going to show you a technique that allows text to be easy to read. Okay, so let me fit this in the window here. So Control 0. Let me first select this window here, and okay, of course. Okay, so let me continue here. There was a phone call that interrupted me. I should have had my phone on mute. So with this busy background in place, using Illustrator now, you can see that the interface here is Illustrator. Let me just pass this out. I'm going to go to my text tool and click on my document here and type in the words pizza. Okay. So it's already kind of scaled up to size, and let me make it a little larger here just to get dramatic here. So notice that when I scale this up using the bounding box, as I drag, if you don't hold down the Shift key, it will not constrain. So you could get squashed text. So I held down the Shift key and that constrained the proportions, okay? So let me get dramatic here and raise this up. All right, so let's do a test here. I'm going to give this text a, first of all, let me double click on the foreground color and make the inside red, okay? Let me make the fill red, all right? Very difficult to read. Now we're going to make this easy to read. So what I'm going to do is give this a white stroke by clicking the stroke box and double clicking on that to select white. So we got a white stroke here. Now let's thicken the stroke. And I'm going to make the stroke, let's say 12 points. Now watch what happens to the inside of the text here. So I'll select the 12. Notice how the inside red here kind of like minimizes. So what's happened is this. We've assigned it a 12-point stroke. So from the edge of the red of the fill, it's gone in 6 points and out with 6 points. So let me show you how you can help that and rectify this issue here. So I'm going to click on the text and Alt, drag down, Alt Shift, Shift to constrain it to a vertical slide, and Alt to duplicate it. Then I'm letting go with the cursor first and then the Shift and Alt key. Okay. I'm very big on shortcuts. You know, if you're going to be a professional in the field, you should learn these shortcuts. Take the time, and it will speed up the process very quickly, and it will help you in the long run for sure. So let me delete the stroke from the copied text here. And now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to copy this. So Control C and then Control B. Control B pasted it in back. So Object, let's see, Edit, Paste in back. Okay. So here's the shortcuts here. Control B to paste in back. Control F to paste in front. Okay. So I've got the text pasted in back. You've got this text sandwiched on top of each other in alignment. And what is selected now is the text that's in back, the one that we pasted in back behind itself. So we'll assign a stroke to that. So we'll double click on the stroke box here and select white and hit OK. And now we'll give that a 12-point stroke. Okay, so you see the dramatic difference here. Keep in mind that the text behind this is selected, so we've assigned the stroke to that. So the fill doesn't change visually. So let's make it really dramatic, make it 40, okay? So that's the difference. So now let's just say you accidentally click away, you deselect it, okay? And you want to change that stroke. So if you select this again, what you're selecting is the copied version in front of itself, okay? And you can prove it by going here and seeing that there's no stroke to this. So what you can do is lock this, the text that's in the front by hitting Control 2. Now, if you're in the Mac environment, it's Command 2. Every time I say Control, it's Command. So now when you select, you're selecting the one behind that has the white stroke. And now we can decrease that stroke back to 12. All right? So keep that in mind. Now to unlock everything, so Object, Unlock All, or Control Alt 2, I think. Let me see. Edit, Object, Unlock All. Yeah, Control Alt 2. Okay, so I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Okay, bye.